To turn on or turn off extreme threats wireless emergency alert in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find notifications, and then tap notifications. Next, tap advanced settings. Select wireless emergency alerts, and then on extreme threats, tap switch until blue to turn on, or until gray to turn on, or tap switch until black to turn off or disable. Extreme threats to left and properly. Extreme threats wireless emergency alerts are wireless emergency alerts sent by the government to warn citizens about extreme threats such as terrorism, attacks, or natural disasters. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.